I wanted to give a trigger warning before I started this TikTok on cancer, because I'm going to spend some time talking about what cancer is, and I just wanted to give you this opportunity to keep on scrolling. I talk about cancer when I reach the unit on mitosis because cancer is uncontrolled cell growth. A mass of cancerous cells is known as a tumor. Now, there are many different types of cancers and many different types of tumors. I'm just going to be generally speaking about what cancer is when it deals with mitosis. Mutations within the DNA of a cell can cause cells to become cancerous. Now, like I said before, there are many different types of cancers, but there are also many different causes of cancer. We can generally group these causes of cancer into your genetics and carcinogens. Within genetics, you can inherit certain mutations which will cause you to have an increased risk of developing cancer, while with carcinogens, you can expose yourself to different things that will again increase your chances of developing cancer. Carcinogens are cancer-causing substances that can lead to mutations in DNA. As you can see, there are a lot of different types of carcinogens that range from radiation, smoking, unhealthy drinking, things in your environment. However, there's also a lot of misinformation out there about carcinogens, and I will admit my understanding of carcinogens isn't as in-depth as a doctor. So if you are interested more in these carcinogens and how they play a role within cancer, I would speak to a medical professional. If you've ever heard the word metastasis, this is when a cancer will start to spread to different locations within the body. You can see in our illustration cancer cells from the lungs traveling through our circulatory system into the liver, and this is when the cancer will start to spread. When explaining this to my students, I try to make the analogy between fighting a forest fire that's spreading to different areas. It's really tough to manage your resources to fight several fires versus fighting just one fire. I'm always asked why cancer is so deadly. Like, why does cancer kill so many people? And there are a lot of factors that go into why cancers are deadly, but I usually explain to my students that one of the reasons is cancer will eventually shut down that organ. So wherever that cancer is, if not treated properly, the cancer can lead to the eventual shutdown of that organ. And if you have an organ that shuts down, it's going to cause major problems within a person. Now, there's a lot more information out there about cancer and things that, cause cancer, that regulate cancer, and the treatments of cancer. I'm just giving a brief overview of what cancer is.